Alright, good morning, boys. What is up? Today is Wednesday, February 10th. We made only on evals. We are not on XFAs right now. I did end up losing the XFA. I got caught in shop at market open. Let me explain everything real quick while I show you guys this. So we did end up passing the evals. Here's that. 5 lucid trading, 50Ks. I'm only trading 5 50K flex lucids. I believe they are the best accounts out right now. Well, I believe the 150s are better. I just don't want to hit a 9K profit goal. I want to get a few more payouts in the month of February. So I'm going to stick to the 50Ks, and I want to lower the amount of money I'm spending on prop firms this year. So pretty simple answer to that. What the fuck is all of this? All right, this is old drawings. All right, I'm going to go over what I saw coming into market open today. These are my executions, as you can see. I was bullish. I was very bullish. I saw this. We're in a 4-hour gap. I saw this. We're in a bullish 4-hour gap. We have previous day high literally resting right above us. Literally right above us. The hourly is bullish. The 15-minute is super fucking bullish. We have this 15-minute gap. I don't really care about it. It's not like we're respecting OTE. Like we were in a, I guess the wicks respected it, but we did push a lot higher. And you can't see the executions that I took at market open, but I essentially took this 15-minute gap tap with a displacement to the upside. I think I entered here. I think when this candle was pushing higher, I entered like midway and I instantly got stopped out. It was a really stupid trade, very avoidable loss. I also longed market open. When we tapped into the gap and pushed higher, I longed it here, and I got stopped out. So those 2 losses blew my account. That was kind of stupid though, because if we look at, oh, we can't look at that. I don't know why it doesn't work. ES, I'm too lazy to do it. If we look at ES pushed all the way up here and edged the high. So I do think that the market open was very sloppy. No actual displacement. Not going to blame that for blowing the accounts though. What I do see is, all right, at this point in time, we're respecting this 15-minute gap. We're pushing so low into this leg that we have this low here resting below us. So this is my draw on liquidity right now, right here, as well as this one. Oh, what? That did not mean to do that. As well as this one. So what I see is, all right, you know what? Price is obviously we're respecting this bearish order block. Then we're respecting this bearish order block. And we're just pushing lower and lower and lower. Candle, clean candle displacement to the downside right here. Right? Targeting this low to half past my evals. This is to make 1.5 on my evals, right? What happens? I got break even by a tick. My entry is literally right here. You can see price came up, break even me, and then I just re-entered short. When we respected that gap, targeting that low to half past them again. Right? So I wasn't really too mad about it. This trade got break even and then literally just re-entered the next candle after we got a bearish confirmation to the downside. Right? So here are my executions. I think you can literally see. Okay, yeah, perfect. I shorted at 25328. So here. This was my short entry right here. Got break even by like 5 points. And then, well, yeah, I got break even 2 points in profit. And then I re-entered short at 25315, which is right over here, with 3 minis, as you can see right there, for my evals at 25292 to this low. So this was the second trade to this internal low. I don't know why I thought I held it to this low. This execution is fucking with my head. But it was this one, and then, like I mentioned before, literally got edged by like 2 points and then got break even. So that's so stupid. I think it stops for break even. Yeah. Break even trade and then immediate re-entry. Simple data short. Now, I'm looking back at longs. There's 0 valid longs. 0 valid longs, in my opinion. Was my long valid? No, I'm holding myself accountable to that. Long was, in fact, terrible. But I have been taking entries on the, not the 30 seconds, but I've been entering halfway through 9:30. I've been experimenting with a new model where I'm entering just off momentum at 9:30, and it's been playing out pretty well. Unfortunately, it didn't play out today, but obviously that's what experimenting does, right? And there's no way to backtest real time, so you guys know I don't preach backtesting, so I trade like literally I'm forward testing it with my actual accounts. I'm trying to see if I can make a model to trade market open with momentum, and that's what I tried today. It's been working pretty well in the past, like this last few weeks, but today obviously failed. Essentially, the model is just like if you see a strong displacement at 9:30 with a clear draw on liquidity, most of the time it'll play out. So I literally tried that. It did not play out. I got caught in manipulation. So pretty unfortunate, but my actual model played out fucking fantastic. Clean as fuck. Ignore the break even. That never happened. But pretty clean day. Not mad at all. Hopefully I can get these passed either tonight or tomorrow morning and be back on max allocation with Lucid Trading. I think they're the only firm I'm going to be trading for a very long time until Alpha Futures comes out with their version of Top Step X. I know some of you guys saw I posted a TikTok or a reel yesterday about trading Top Step. I'm allowed to trade one XFA. That is it. I'm only allowed to trade one XFA. So obviously I'm just trading that for fun and taking like maybe a few $1,000s a month off that, like nothing crazy. And besides that, the main goal is always going to be to grow my Lucid accounts. And I might full port Alpha Futures Zero accounts on CPI on Friday just to get allocated with Alpha so I could take a few payouts from them as well. But besides that, the main goal is always going to be Lucid. Lucid is my #1 firm currently, right? So I hope you guys have a blessed day. Any questions, I'll leave the link to the free Discord in bio. And I hope you guys have a blessed day. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace out.